Good morning, TVS. My name is Amanda Kate, and I know I have what it takes to be the host of your brand new TV youth series. I am described by my friends as someone who is crazy, outrageous, and full of life. Nothing is ever too hard, and I'm not afraid to get my hands dirty. I am the girl who will jump out of a perfectly good plane 15,000 feet above sea level, all for the thrill of the ride. I do not have many talents. I cannot sing to save myself. I dance to songs from the 80s, and I cannot play a musical instrument. But one thing I have always been told I'm good at is talking. And being behind the camera is something that I absolutely love. I feel that if I was given the chance to be the brand new host, I would bring a strong, enthusiastic, energetic, vibrant atmosphere to the set, and then I could make this show something truly amazing. I'm very dedicated and hardworking and put 110% into everything that I do. I don't take life too seriously. I do believe in the cliche saying that life is too short, but if you live it good once is enough. So if you believe in me as much as I believe in myself, and you think I have what it takes to be the host of your brand new TV youth series, then please call and hire me. This is Amanda Kate. Thank you very much for your time.